Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel MSK Institute. Today we are going to learn AutoCAD. AutoCAD is designing software. This software is launched by Autodesk company. This software is using for designing 2D and 3D drawing. When you are open the software, the interface it came like that. You see the interface of AutoCAD and somebody is calling environment and somebody is calling interface. This one is, you see, this one is name is application. You can use this one is new file, and if you have another file you can open and save, and I save. This one is import and export, this publish, print, everything what you want you can find it here. And also you see this one is quick access. This one is quick access toolbar. This one is program file. This one is information center. And you see this one is toolbar. And this one is modify bar. And this one is animation bar. And this one is layer bar. And blocks and properties and groups, utilities, this calibrate, this view. And also you can calling all this toolbar ribbon bar. You see this one is UCS icon, and this one is command bar, and this one is navigation bar, and this area is for drawing. If you are open this page, if you are don't see this ribbon bar, you see this ribbon bar toolbar. If you don't see in your computer, so you can press on your keyboard control press 0. You see this one its height. If you want to see this one, now it's height. If you want to see this one and restore this ribbon bar, you can again press control then 0 on keyboard. Then you see this one is restore. And same this one, if you don't see this one is command bar, so this one is control press 9 on keyboard. You see this one is also is height. If you don't see this one, if you want to restore, you can press control plus 9 and you key this one. You can see this restore is command bar. So today we are only learn for interface of AutoCAD. So tomorrow we are going to learn for lines, draw panels, and polyline and circle and arc. So thank you for watching this video. So please like and share my YouTube channel and subscribe.